skilled driver. Very skilled.
Skilled driver.
Oh yeah, very skilled.
He has like over 4 million professional driving miles.
4 million?
That would make him a professional.
Yeah. You have about 4 million. You think you have about 4 million?
Every 10 years represents a million, so I've been doing it for over 30. And then you add in whatever regular miles I drive, it'd be close to, a normal person drives probably 1 million miles in their lifetime. Maybe, depending on where you go.
So, yeah, see, somebody's working there at the post office.
So,
I bet you I can't get over there because I won't be able to back out.
Okay. All right, so all right, so I'm gonna pause you guys here.
Gonna pause you guys right here.
So we are at
Right back, ladies.
the United States
Don't be lost.
Cerulean post office. We don't live very far from there, just around the corner. So a little tiny little red post office building. All right, so I have to show you this. Stephen walked with me. Look at this ice. No, wait, Stephen. Anyway, look at this ice. So Stephen skated with me. Whoa! Whoa! Stephen held on to me and skated with me. He had his grippy things on, but well, I can make a video of you doing that. Whoa, you want to make a video of you? Oh! Okay, well, he walked with me all the way to the post office is a sheet of ice, and the lady said that it took her 2 hours to get to work. And the whole parking lot has just been just a sheet of ice. Okay, I need to hold on to the door here. Okay. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Hold the phone!
What up, bozo? Bozo! Wow! It's difficult being bozo. He really is, ladies and gentlemen. Bozo.